In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to Page Notion tutorial. Before we begin, here's the key idea. In Notion, properties only exist on pages that live inside a database. If you want to attach useful details like tags, due dates, statuses, or numbers to a page, that page has to be a database item. Regular standalone pages don't support properties, which is why the first thing we'll do is create a database. Start by creating a new database. Click the New Page button at the top left of Notion, then choose the Blank Database option. This gives you a clean, empty database where your entries can carry structured information. If it helps, think of a database as a smarter table or list, where each row is still a full Notion page, but with added fields you control. Next, create a page inside that database. Click New to add an entry. What you've just created is both a row in the database and a normal page you can edit. You can add text, headings, images, and all your usual blocks as you would anywhere else in Notion. But the big advantage is that this page now supports properties. With your new page open, look along the top of the page interface. You'll see the option to add a new property. Select that, and you'll be prompted to create a property that applies to this database. Give it a clear name and choose the type that matches the kind of data you want to track, such as text for notes, number for quantities, date for deadlines, checkbox for simple yes or no, or select and multi-select for labels and tags. The property you add here becomes part of the database structure and automatically appears on every item in this database, keeping your information consistent and easy to scan. If you don't see the option to add a property, double-check that you're working inside a database page and not a standalone page. The Add Property control only appears when the page is part of a database. And there you go. By creating a database, adding a page within it, and then adding a new property from the top of that page, you've enabled properties for that page and for every other item in the database. That's all. With this in place, your Notion setup becomes more organized, more searchable, and far more powerful for tracking anything from tasks and content to inventory and notes.